I'm not going to touch a thing. I'm going to do a glue up on this. Okay, so we haven't gone over this yet, but this is a thing to come. This is a prototype right down here. This is one of the prototypes that I've been kind of using in the shop a little bit. You can see the shape down here, the top, everything is the same that we're doing, other than some of the holes are a little different. But you can see how these clamps are going to come into play for my glue up. So I won't cover this in detail right now because I'll cover that later. Basically, I'm getting it roughed in as far as, and then I'm going to put the glue on and so on. So I'm just working on, I don't care about the underside because I'm going to plane it anyhow. I'm just trying to get this top surface because it's kind of cool. Flush, and I'm tightening, just alternating the clamps. If I did get a pop-up out of it, which I'm not, then I could put a small clamp right down here. I wouldn't call this a small clamp, but I can put a clamp right in here that would basically hold that down. Those of you that do glue ups, you know the issues on these kinds of things. And so anyways, that's what would happen right there. There's some other places to put those clamps. So this glue up is pretty much ready to go. And now it just needs to dry. It's about 3/8 to a 1/2 inch thick. Close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades. Again, I was able to get rid of this, the little bit of pop-up that I got on both ends by putting a clamp underneath there. You can see how this MikroBench is really just starting to just, you know, show up on how all this stuff that it can do. It's really cool.